Hello everyone, welcome into Fatty's Feast, where we make the best food you'll ever eat without leaving your backyard. My name is Josh, and today we are making a classic Texas melt from Waffle House at home on the BLACKSTONE Griddle. Now, if you've never been to Waffle House, that's probably a good thing. I've been too many times to count. We don't have Waffle Houses here in Connecticut, so every time I go down south, anywhere past Delaware, I frequent Waffle Houses. It's probably not good for my diabetes, but it is what it is. And since I'm actually going down to Nashville a week after this video is released, I thought, why not try to make one of these delicious sandwiches at home on the BLACKSTONE Griddle? Can't be that hard, right? Now, I always get the bacon, egg, and cheese Texas melt. They also have for lunch like cheeseburger Texas melts. Those are really good as well. And I also get a chocolate chip waffle. Not sure if I'm going to be able to do that anymore. We'll see. So we're not going to even attempt to recreate the waffles because they're too delicious. But let's get started on this Texas melt. All right, so this right here is a lump of hash browns. These are the potatoes that I made in my homemade hash brown video. If you haven't checked that out, I'll put a link here. And these look a little brown because they oxidized in the freezer a little bit, but they're still safe to eat. So let's get a little bit of oil down right here. I'm just gonna throw them on it first to crisp them up a little bit, and then I'll form them into a ball because they're still a little bit wet. Oh, gross, a mosquito. Get out of here. So I'll just spread them out, try to get some of that water out. And all my zones are on a low heat. Right here, I'll throw down some more oil. I'm gonna throw down some onions and jalapenos. I also have this frozen piece of ham. I'm just gonna throw that right here. Now, what makes Waffle House hash browns so special is you can get them a multitude of different ways. If you want just plain hash browns, that's completely fine. And they have like cute little terms for them, so you can order them a certain way. So for example, I like mine smothered, covered, chunked, and peppered. So smothered with onions, covered with cheese, chunked with ham, and peppered with jalapeno. Over on this side, I'll throw down some bacon. We're doing 3 pieces of everything today. Put my press right on. These look like they're dehydrating out a bit. That's good. So what I'll do, just like we did in the hash brown video, I'll throw down some butter. I'll take these, just throw them right on top. Take our onions here, our jalapenos. We'll see if this actually sticks together. If it doesn't, it's not a big deal. Then we have our frozen ham here. Why is it frozen? Because I meal prep a lot of stuff, that's why. I'm just gonna cut it here, and then again like this. Just give it a nice mash up. And then we can just throw it on like this. Throw some more butter on there like so, and then we can cover it with our basting cover. See our bacon, beautiful. Just cover this area with some grease. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder as well. Cover back up. More butter. I got 2 pieces of sourdough bread here. Usually you use Texas toast for this, that's why it's called a Texas melt. Let's check on the bacon. It's coming along. I'm gonna let this crisp up a lot because I like crispy bacon. I'm looking at this again. I don't know if this is gonna actually stick together, so I'm just gonna mix it all in. There's just too much going on here. I don't think we can do it. But I'm gonna try to get as good of a crisp up on here as I can by spreading it out. All right, let's check it out. Nice toast on here. Beautiful. Bacon. Oh, nice and crispy. I'm actually gonna throw that there and turn this burner off. While this bread is toasting up, I'll move it over here. Throw down a little more oil. Oh God, calm down. And we're gonna do 3 eggs. 1, 2, and 3. Get those yolks broken. And our black pepper and touch of salt. Now you can use something like this, like these doohickeys for your eggs. I just find doing them this way is a little bit easier, and I can make them to the shape I want, which is a mess. But that's okay, because it's gonna be longer for the bread. Check on our hash browns. Oh, actually not too bad. Our bread's just chilling over here in the off zone, so that's okay. And we can flip. I already said 3 pieces of cheese, right? So this is cheddar. We'll throw this on this piece just like so. Even coating all across. My dad taught me that trick. And then we will throw our egg right on top. Now our crispy bacon. Oh, looks so good. So greasy. And then, there we go. And what I'll actually do is I'll just take this off here, put it on this for a second. While that's doing that, I'm gonna take these, sort of form them up a little bit. And as I said, my hash browns need to be covered in cheese. So I have your classic fake processed American cheese, just like Waffle House uses. That's gonna go right on top. And that's literally what they do. They just slap it on like that. See this? Looking good. Cheese is melty. So I am gonna take this bad boy off. While we're waiting for our hash browns, let's cut into this. I need a sharper knife. There we go. Looks good. The cheese is not really pulling apart, but that's okay. It's gonna be delicious. All right. Oh yeah, there we go. That's exactly what we're looking for. Let's see if I can do this in one piece. Nope. Oh, come on. So close. I tried. And no Waffle House meal would be complete without a few dill pickles. Why? I don't know. I don't typically do this, but one more thing I'm gonna do. Yeah, this is mayo. Put a little bit on each of these pieces. No, it's not Duke's, unfortunately, but this is what they do down south, so I'm doing it here. And it's actually really good, surprisingly, even if you're not a mayo fan. And this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give this bad boy a try. All right, this one's like falling apart, so. This is good. I'll be honest with you, is it better than Waffle House? I'm not really sure. I think they might use more butter, but I mean, it's good. It's just sort of craving that Waffle House taste still. What about these browns? Hold on, I gotta get in here. Oh, those are pretty good. Those taste like Waffle House, if not better. When I end up going to Nashville, I'll put a post up on YouTube and on Instagram with my sandwich so you can compare, because it's good, but Waffle House just has this special place in my heart. I don't know if I can ever recreate something just so simple but so delicious. All right, well, I'm gonna go eat this and then pass away because I already feel my arteries clogging. But I really thank you for checking out today's video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, please smash that like button and leave a comment telling me what you want me to make next time on the griddle, on the smoker. I don't care, I love ideas. If you wanna learn more about how I made these hash browns from scratch, video's right here, click on it. If you want to see me cook some more breakfast items on the Blackstone Griddle, check out this playlist right here. Watch it in full. You'll enjoy all of it. And last but not least, right here, subscribe if you love me. Until next time, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, stay toned.